Hi guys, Chet here. Today we're comparing OpenCart and Shopify. Both help you build an online store, but they work very differently. I'll explain everything in very simple words so that even beginners can understand. By the end of this video, you'll know which one is better for you. But before we start, let me give you a special offer. If you want to build your Shopify store the right way, check the link below for a 3-day Shopify free trial plus the $1 per month offer. You'll also get my complete Shopify course so that you can set everything up with confidence. So, without further delay, let's get started. First off, let's start with what these platforms actually are. Shopify is an all in one tool. It gives you everything in one place so that you can open a store fast. You don't need to worry about hosting, security, or coding. Everything is set up for you. Now, OpenCart is different. It's free to download, but you must set up your own hosting and manage things by yourself. It gives you more control, but it also takes more work, especially if you're not good with technology. Let's talk about the features. Shopify makes things very easy. You get a ready-made theme, or ready-made themes rather, a simple editor, strong product management, and built-in payments. You can add apps with one click, and Shopify keeps your store safe and updated without you doing anything. It's great for beginners who want a smooth experience. OpenCart also has good features like unlimited products, a clean dashboard, and lots of extensions. But since it's open source, you need to install things yourself. If something breaks or doesn't work, you may need a developer to fix it. That's why OpenCart is better for people who want flexibility and don't mind handling technical tasks. Let's talk about ease of use. Shopify is very simple to learn. The dashboard is clean, everything is guided, and you can create a store even if it's your first time. OpenCart isn't too hard, but there are more steps. You have to install it, choose hosting, add extensions, and sometimes deal with technical issues. So for most beginners, Shopify will feel much easier. Finally, let's compare pricing. Shopify has 4 plans. Basic is $25 per month. Grow is $65 per month. Advanced is $399 a month. And Shopify Plus is $2,300 per month. OpenCart itself is free, but you still need to pay for hosting, themes, and extensions. So your total cost really depends on what you choose. So which one should you go with? If you want something simple, quick to set up, and beginner friendly, Shopify is your better option. You can focus on selling while Shopify handles everything on the technical side. But if you want full control, enjoy customizing things, and you don't mind doing, the work yourself, then OpenCart can be a great choice. All right, that's it for this video. If you want to start your Shopify store today, check the link below. Don't forget you'll get the 3-day Shopify free trial, the $1 per month offer, and my full Shopify course that takes you from setup to launch. If this comparison helped you, be sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. As always, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.